Welcome to another CAAN tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, we'll show you how to create a low-maintenance fence that will save you time, money, and effort. First, pick the right material. Vinyl, composite, and metal fences are great low-maintenance options. And like wood, they're durable, weather-resistant, and rarely need painting or staining. Vinyl and composite fences resist rot, pests, and fading, making them perfect for long-term use. Metal fences, like aluminum, are rust-resistant and need minimal upkeep. Next, ensure proper installation. Spacing fence posts correctly helps prevent warping and sagging, which means less maintenance over time. Third, keep the base of your fence clear of debris and grass. Trimming around the fence regularly prevents moisture buildup and keeps it looking fresh. And don't forget occasional cleaning. A simple rinse with a garden hose a few times a year removes dirt and keeps your fence looking new. To recap, choose low-maintenance materials. Install properly, keep the base clear and rinse occasionally. Follow these tips, and you'll have a fence that's both beautiful and low maintenance. Make sure to like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Check out our playlist for more. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.